Hi. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to edit and delete company, ledger items, and entries in Tally. Okay. So first, we will start with the company. Now this is my company over here. Now let's say if I wanted to shut the company, the shortcut key is Alt plus F1 over here. So you can shut the company. This is my ABC Limited company. This company I wanted to shut. So press F1, the company will be shut. So in this way you can shut your company. Okay, now let's say I wanted to alter the company. Alt F3, press alter, go to the company. Now let's say I wanted to fill up all the details. I had forgot to put the address in my company, so I can put the address over here, or I had not put the phone number, contact number, anything. Okay, I need to make changes. So from here I can alter the company by pressing what? Alt plus F3. So you will get the option. I have pressed Alt plus F3, and the alter option you will get from here. So you can make the changes from here. So this is the one way. Now let's say I wanted to delete this company from here. So I have to press, by opening the company, Alt D. So in this way your company will be deleted from here by pressing Alt D. This is the one of the method. Other method I will show you. Okay, to delete the company from here you need to press Alt D. Now let's say this ABC Limited, the name of the company is ABC, but in Tally it is in which folder? 10,002. You can see over here 10,002. So my Tally is been stored in D drive. Okay, so I am going on to my folder Tally RP9 data, and here 10,002 is there. So I just need to delete this folder, so my company will get deleted. Okay, so in this way, okay, you can alter the company, you can delete the company, and you can shut the company. Now second thing, I just need to show you about the ledgers, how to alter the ledgers or how to delete the ledgers. You have to go to accounts info, then you have to go to ledgers, and then you have to go to alter. Now after going into the alter, now let's say I wanted to make changes, okay, in this ledger. So Vijay Sales India Private Limited, let's say it is not limited, it is incorporated, INC. So I can type over here INC, whatever changes I want to make. Let's say is not right now not my sundry creator, it is my sundry debtors. So I can make changes from here. Okay, whatever changes I wanted to make. And let's say the company has changed the address. So from here I can change the address. Company has changed the GST number. They have took addition change the whatever number GST or HSN number that I wanted to say. So the product GSN number got changed. Okay, from here I can change the number also, whatever details I need to make the changes from here. So this is possible, okay, through alter. Now one thing, okay, I cannot delete right now my ledger from here. To delete the ledger, the shortcut key is Alt D. Right now my Alt D function will not work over here, because through this ledger one entry has been created in my purchase register. So first I have to delete that voucher entry in my purchase register, then only I can delete the ledger from here. So this is the one way, okay, to delete the ledger, or you can make any changes to the ledger. Similarly I will show you, okay, about the inventory also. I have to go to stock items, then I have to go to alter. Again I will show you inventory info, stock items, alter. Then let's say Vivo V7 Pro is there. If I wanted to change the name of the product, I can change the name of the product. Okay, instead of Pro it is Pro Plus, so I can make it Pro Plus from here. If the taxation slab has changed, I can change the taxation slab, but I cannot change the pieces from here. Okay, the pieces will be as it is. Now if let's say company has changed, okay, the HSN number or taxable slot, from here also I can make any changes if required. And here also I cannot right now, the shortcut key to delete is Alt D. Right now I cannot delete, okay, through Alt D, because already for this, okay, entry has been created and I have done the purchase entry in my purchase register. So only once I delete the entry, then only I can delete the ledger, the stock items ledger from here. And the other way I will teach you, okay, how to delete the entry of ledger. Go to accounting voucher. Now let's say this is let's say Khan Crop Limited. I wanted to make any changes in Khan Crop, so I have selected Khan Crop over here, and then from here I will press Control Enter. Now from Control Enter, after pressing Control Enter, I can make changes, okay, what changes I need to make. Now let's say I wanted to make changes, okay, in my purchase GST also. So I can press OK, control enter from here. By pressing control enter, okay, I went into this option of ledger alteration, so I can alter the ledger from here also. Similarly for stock items, okay, let's say BTEL over here. So again I wanted to make changes, control enter I have to press. I can make the changes from here. So this is the secondary way, okay, of making changes of your ledger and stock items. Now we will learn, okay, how to make changes in your purchase entry and how to delete the purchase entry. Again you have to go to Gateway of Tally, display, accounts book, in this purchase register. They display, accounts book, purchase register. Let's say I wanted to make the changes of the April month. I have to just enter into the entry. If I wanted to change, okay, any thing, let's say this is, I wanted to change the name of the item, or instead of 10 kg it is 15 kg, the rate is 250. Okay, I can make the changes from here. And if I wanted to delete, okay, I have to press Alt D. So from here it will allow me to delete. After deleting this item, I can delete in the ledger also, whichever ledger is affecting in this voucher entry. The same ledger I can delete from my alter ledger also after deleting the voucher entry. So this way you can, okay, make the changes in your voucher entry and you can delete the voucher entry. I hope, okay, you have understood, okay, what we have learned, okay, about the company alteration, delete, shirt, purchase alteration, like, and delete stock items. Similarly about the voucher entries, okay, how to make changes and how to delete it. I hope you have understood. Thank you.